Thank you, Soha.
रखेगी वहाँ प्लीज.
Yes, छोटे हाथ वाली.
मेरे हाथ कानून के नहीं है.
Wow, Menka, sari
I
is
know.
looking
Thank
very
you, Dad,
pretty.
for getting
क्या
us
दिख
this
रही है ना?
beautiful sarees.
Lovely.
Yeah. This is so soft.
Lovely,
So, you know,
my
this,
dear.
I love the colors, the prints. Like, this is so amazing. Where did you get this from?
So I have a friend called Shilpa Chandole,
Okay.
and she has her own brand called Sahodari Saris.
Mm-hmm.
And she has quit her corporate job as she enters 50s.
Oh, wow.
And she
Amazing.
has
Inspiration.
inspiration, yeah. And her sister's mother-in-law used to have this business. I mean, she used to go to, I mean, from Calcutta they used to, in from the interiors of Calcutta they used to source these saris, but they're so good, yeah, very
Yeah,
light.
like I've never ever worn sari, which is so soft and so light.
Yeah,
So I want to pick up more. Where can I, like, do they have a store or where do I?
yeah, they have an Instagram page, Sahodari Saris.
Okay.
And you will get to see their collection, their upcoming offers, new stock, exhibitions,
Okay.
everything.
But
Yeah.
loving the prints and like the combinations are so beautiful.
Absolutely.
Look at me talking about saris.
I know.
If I'm
हमारी
buying
तो बोलती ही बंद हो गई है.
something amazing about
Yeah,
this.
but you know what? Cotton sari always makes me think of your mother.
Yeah. My mom really loves
I
it.
remember your mother visiting the set of Rais with you
Yes.
in her nice, elegant cotton
Yeah.
saris.
My
How's
mom
auntie
is-
doing?
Mom is doing well, yeah. Like she's sinking into her life in Pune. So, she used to live obviously in Delhi and now her life, she shifted to Pune. So she's taken over this new life with full vengeance. My mom loves socializing, so she's made like a nice set of friends. And she's like, at this age now that, all the daughters are settled, grandkids are wherever, she's taken up this new passion of learning how to sing.
Wow.
So she actually got hold of
Classical singing?
classical teacher. So all kind of singing, and she started a YouTube channel now,
Wow.
and she's got her singing sessions
Yeah.
on it. And she's also, because she loves cooking, she has started this business called Jaya's Kitchen, where she makes chutneys.
Yes,
And
I
pickles. We all
I
have
have
tasted
tasted
it.
that.
So
Amazing.
that's like booming like crazy, like people, because it's also home cooked and
मैंने नहीं टेस्ट किया वो चटनी.
तेरे आती है ना ये पूरा.
हाँ.
अभी देखना,
It's
she's
amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how come you all tasted it?
I asked her
I gave them all tasters basically because we didn't know.
कब हुआ?
because we are we are her favorites.
No! Listen, they're
Auntie,
just trying
give me
to
the
throw,
chutney.
they're just trying to throw fire between us
Mm.
because they don't like us sitting next to each
Ah,
other.
yeah.
They know. कोई बात
But I
ठीक
want
है.
to know one thing. Since you are three sisters, three of you, right? Three siblings. तुझे कभी लगता है कि माँ बाप किसी एक सिबलिंग के प्रति थोड़ा ज्यादा बायस्ड होते हैं?
Yes.
हाँ? Really?
Oh my God.
होते हैं, मुझे भी लगता है.
They don't say it because they feel कि बच्चे बुरा मान जाएंगे. But I
Hmm.
know, like my dad favors me a lot. I'm daddy's girl.
Okay.
What was
I complain to my mother. She's completely on my brother's side at sometimes, but of course, I mean, she loves.
But you've
both of
been
us.
a daddy's girl, bro.
I have been a daddy's girl.
Then, but you and your mom are best of friends.
Yeah.
They go out for
Yeah, but this
dinners.
this relationship, I wouldn't say it's cultivated,
Hmm.
but after I lost my dad, we made it a point to become friends, and that's how it has evolved now. And now we are very good friends, but of course she becomes a mother when it's convenient
Yeah.
and when she needs to be a mother. But it's a good, healthy relationship is what I feel.
Right.
And inspirational, of course. I mean, that is what her, as you said,
Yeah.
mothers की energy देख के you feel how the
No,
hell are we going to do
seriously.
that? Yeah.
मुझे seriously लगता है, मतलब I think that generation ate some जड़ी बूटी for sure. How
times,
they have so much energy, yeah?
no, but the times have also changed, na. So we are facing different times, and therefore
Yeah,
our
yeah.
energies are different than
I think
theirs.
we've already fizzled out our energies अभी इतना.
क्योंकि हम
stress
लोगों
में.
को बहुत फास्ट लाइफ जीना पड़ रहा है, उनको इतना फास्ट लाइफ नहीं जीना पड़ा, इसलिए आई थिंक दे कुड मैनेज वेल. मुझे भी माय मदर लाइक शी सेड हर आई हैव सीन her with her mother, and I like how they enjoy with each other. So similarly, even I do that with my mom. But my mom is a very home person. She likes to be at home. So मुझे लगता है कि इंस्पिरेशन से भी ज्यादा ना मुझे माय मॉम हैज बीन अ बिगेस्ट सपोर्ट फॉर मी इन माय लाइफ अभी तक है वो. सो आई वुडंट से कि मैं ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंस हो गई मम्मी से, लेकिन माय आई हैज बीन द बिगेस्ट सपोर्ट.
Yeah.
That makes you, that gives you the energy to do whatever you want.
It gives you a certain confidence, right?
Yeah.
When you
It does.
have these strong women.
So I think
just feel
family
blessed.
dynamics, whatever we all have experienced, that has made us what we are today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that is something which gives us the strength. So you all know my grandmother was a doctor.
Yeah.
The strength she had to even support my mother or even me at various whatever instances.
Stages.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I'll never forget. At 89, she was at it. At 88, 89, she was like still working, going into, in society, mein she was the family doctor.
Yeah.
She still worked till her dying days. When she was hospitalized also, she was the one who's saying कि ये दे दो मुझे. She's actually instructing the nurse कि ये ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा करना है.
Wow.
So it's like, it's totally inspirational, and I feel as women, you need that confidence from another woman. Because then that is what motivates you to kind of go on with in life.
Yeah, and mothers being the primary caregivers of the family, I think उनका सबसे ज्यादा influence होता ही है.
Yeah.
I mean, I lost my father when I was 15 years old, and my mother was a working woman, single parent. Kundan is 5 years younger to me. She took care of us single-handedly. I mean, sometimes मुझे लगता था कि यार मेरी मम्मी माझे आई लाडकाने करत है. But now that I have become a mother, I realize that sometimes हर चीज छोड़ के बच्चे को बैठ के उसको समझाना, पैम्पर करना, उसकी सुनना, conscious parenting is a luxury.
Yeah,
It
is.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's
My mother couldn't afford that. She had to leave at 8:30 a.m. She used to come back at 7. और मुझे पता है कि हमारे बिल्डिंग मैं अपने पड़ोसियों की बालकनी में खड़े रह के मेरी मम्मी की राह देखती थी. और अगर 7 से 7:10 हो गए तो मुझे लगता था मेरा क्या होगा. If I don't get to see my mother coming,
Right.
and my brother used to, वो कहीं play around. And I mean, after retire, फिर मुझे लगता था मेरी मम्मी रिटायर हो जाएगी, फिर मेरी मम्मी कैसे ये सब, how is she going to handle life? But now she's retired for last 12 years, and you can't take her time for granted, by the way. You can't say कि हाँ मम्मी है कर लेगी. You have to ask her, do you have time? Because my mother has classes even on सीनियर सिटीजन्स स्कैम में फंस जाते हैं, तो वो ना फंसे इसके लिए एक क्लास है.
wow.
Did you guys know that?
No, not at all.
Yeah, so my mother was attending those 4 sessions.
Please send me this link.
I will send you a
I
link.
would like to share it with my parents as well,
Yes.
because my parents have undergone a online fraud, which was very shaking for them. So this will be very helpful.
Yeah, so there are some young kids who help senior citizens understand GPay क्या है, QR code क्या है, fake QR
So it's
code
basically
कैसे.
very technological based. Wow.
Nice,
At
yeah.
this age, if she's doing this.
Yeah, and she's also attending one class जिसमें अल्जाइमर्स की तरफ आप ना जाओ धीरे धीरे, मतलब डिपेंड्स अपॉन हेरिडिटरी फैक्टर्स एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, और आपका दिमाग कैसे काम करता रहे, एक्टिव रहे. इसके लिए भी उसका एक फ्राइडे को क्लास होता है.
Wow.
क्या आप करो. एंड प्लस शी हैज हर सीनियर सिटीजन्स का कैरियोके. हमारे घर पे एक माइक आया है.
Oh wow.
So अंदर से suddenly, the other day I am hearing Duffily, wow, and I'm like, ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? And I was like, wow, she's, preparing for
She has found her own life now after she's retired, and
and
she has her own
beautifully,
Yeah.
living it.
Yeah.
And Karthik, it's so good that my child sees his grandmother exercising every day,
Wow.
doing yoga, telling him not to disturb her while she's exercising. I think this is so inspiring.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है इसमें से 10% भी कुछ मैं ले लूं तो मेरी जिंदगी बन जाएगी.
But this is actually like amazing. Like as you said, all our parents had like a very, like I know my mom also had a very monotonous life. It was, all about taking care of the family, but school, it was all about that, right? There came this point where suddenly all those responsibilities went away. And instead of feeling a void कि यार अब मेरी जिंदगी में कोई purpose नहीं है, she said, no, great, now I'll live my life. And that's what they're doing that now. It's amazing that they're taking this decision and saying कि यार अब हम बुढ़े हो गए हैं, अब हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते, instead of sinking into that negativeness, to look forward to life in such a positive way. I feel like I wish, like, and I hope that I instill those qualities when I reach that age.
What is that one quality you have which your mother has and which you've kind of
I'd say two: willpower and patience. Like I think she has surpassed anyone I know in these two qualities. And उसका मुझे अगर 10% भी अगर मैं इंस्टॉल कर लूँ तो I think it would be like amazing.
मुझे लगता है my mother, I have always seen her, she's very consistent. She chose home as her place of work, I would say, and so she devoted all her time to me, my sister and my father. So but उसने ना मतलब she did that so dedicatedly, तो थोड़ा सा हम लोग पैम्पर ही हुए हैं, मैं और मेरी सिस्टर, बिकॉज कभी हम लोगों को काम करने के लिए नहीं बोला. शी हैज नेवर बीन अ स्ट्रिक्ट पेरेंट, बट दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई टुडे व्हेन आई एम लिविंग विथ हर एंड नाउ शी इज बिकम ओल्ड, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपने आप ना करती हूँ उसके लिए चीजें जो उसने मेरे. yesterday I told her कि she goes to the नाना नानी पार्क, ओके, और उसी के सामने बालमोन शिशु शाला है, मतलब
विद्या मंदिर,
kindergarten. So I told my mom कि you used to come to drop me here when I was a kid. Now I am coming to drop you here. She was like, हो गया. तो उसने जो दिया है ना, मतलब जो किया वो, मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगता है जब मैं when I think about it कि मुझे क्यों ये इंस्टिंक्ट होता है कि मैं मेरे माँ के लिए ये करूँ. मैंने काफी दोस्तों से सुना है कि उनका नहीं बनती है माँ के साथ, या दे जस्ट वांट टू गेट अवे, दे वांट टू हैव देयर ओन लाइफ. और मुझे लगता है मैं क्यों इतनी कंफर्टेबल हूँ मेरी मम्मी के साथ. अभी मुझे ऐसे पता चला, मतलब जब मैं सोचती हूँ मुझे ऐसा लगता है शायद उसने इतना दिया है विदाउट एक्सपेक्टिंग एनीथिंग, अनकंडीशनली, उसका टाइम, एवरीथिंग, कि मैं अपने आप करती ही हूँ. अगर मैं नहीं करती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि नहीं मुझे करना ही है. इट्स जस्ट दैट इंस्टिंक्ट.
No, it comes super organically to you.
Yeah.
I have always told Sharvari that please take the credit. She has been an incredible daughter when it comes to prioritizing her mother.
Yeah. And my father also, when he was there, I used to prioritize both of them.
Selfless child. What about you?
See, the whole point is that living every day with, like we both are living with our mothers. There are some days where you feel that yaar, bas ho gaya abhi. But that's what life is, and that's what it is. I mean, the whole, as I said, after my father passed away, it was my mother. I have only one parent, and that one parent and holding on to that parent is such a big. Earlier, it was a big deal for me. Now I'm like, let's have fun, and of course, she also has that same view. But I get very emotional sometimes when I feel that this bond should not kind of get messed up in any way. Of course, there are fights and mother-daughter fights तो होते
That is required.
जगह जाहिर है.
Fights ही है वो. प्यार की निशानी है वो.
I used to feel very proud of the fact that I have this cool mother. Now I want to keep it under wraps. Now it's like she's my coolest mother, and she's my mother when she needs to be a mother, and she's a friend when she has to be a friend. So that is something which I cherish so much. And I think this bond is something which is unusual, and now I can proudly say that yes, I'm so proud we have that friendship in
Awesome.
which is remained with us for, and I'm sure it's going to continue. That's what is giving me strength, because I remember when I was getting into the field also, the same field in a way, she actually gave me that confidence that she said, Soha, you have to be independent. You have to have your own view. You have to have your, and earning your own money will give you the confidence for a lifetime.
Correct.
Whatever happens, you have to earn for yourself.
Correct.
For how much time and all that you decide, but you have to take the plunge and start earning, because that is the only thing which is going to give you the confidence. And I still believe that.
Yeah, no, and I can totally relate to this.
Yeah, and also she also has been doing that.
Yeah,
she's
been
been
doing
working.
that. Yeah.
All her
Throughout,
life.
we have seen her working.
True.
I mean,
But you would
different
actually relate to
languages.
this more than we would.
Yeah,
right?
because my mother is an independent woman, independent as in financially independent woman. She has two sisters, जो housewives रही हैं, and my mother always told me कि when Karthik was born, she said कि ठीक है, एक दो साल तुमने by choice time दिया, you were in a position to give a little more time to your child, great, but वो एक मेरा gentle reminder रहता है हमेशा that you have to get back to work. You have to, make your own money.
Yeah.
And it is so important.
Yeah.
And sometimes, हम लोगों में वो भी होता है कि बच्चे के लिए हम उस पे से झगड़ते हैं फिलहाल. कार्तिक के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. So वहाँ पे भी कभी-कभी, we agree to disagree on many things. And with, as you said, कि उनके जमाने में वो सब चीजें नहीं थी. तो उनकी स्ट्रेंथ और हमारी स्ट्रेंथ हम कंपेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं. They were different kinds of mothers. I mean, and I feel that every mother is a superwoman. Having said that, I feel at this stage of my life that motherhood का हर किसी का instinct होता है. Whether you have a biological child, whether you have a pet, whether you have your motherly instinct towards your, niece, nephew, किसी और का बच्चा, पड़ोसी का, जो भी है. But I think we shouldn't glorify motherhood, यार. They are also human beings.
Yeah.
And कितना भी वो आपको inspire करे, or how much ever we would love to look up to our parents, we shouldn't forget that they are human beings and they are entitled to make their own mistakes. मतलब त्यांच्याकडनं त्यांचा माणूस असणं हिरावून नाही घेतलं पाहिजे आपण.
Correct. That's a very valid point. Actually.
Yeah, and I think we are wired to love our parents. Biologically wired to love our parents.
Yeah.
I mean, we don't choose our parents.
Yeah.
So we love them with their imperfections, no?
Correct.
I'm trying to tell Karthik you.
नहीं, और ये लेकिन उसे वो तभी पता चलेगा जब वो बड़ा होगा और तभी उसे पता चलेगा. So that we realize only when we grow up and हमारा understanding बढ़ता है about life, then only we realize कि mothers are also simple human beings and mothers and fathers of parents. तो वो भी simple human beings ही हैं जो पहले हमें हीरो लगते हैं कि इनको सब पता होगा, इनको सब आता है.
Yeah. Like life has so many struggles. My parents overcame that, but they also did make some mistakes. But at that time, I was completely clouded in my judgment कि मेरे parents तो मतलब कभी कुछ गलत कर ही नहीं सकते. मतलब ये तो perfect है.
But I think सबको ये लगता है ना.
Yeah.
Best है.
I feel अब हम लोगों को ऐसे लगता है. When I was growing up, holidays May vacation used to come up and everyone used to say that हम इधर जा रहे हैं, whatever native place ये वो. I have heard maximum of my friends cribbing that parents के साथ जाना पड़ रहा है. And I used to get excited that there's some kind of like we had maximum trips of Daure because my parents used to act in plays. So Dauraवर जाणं used to be a big deal for me and my brother. And we used to enjoy
travel with the play basically.
Travel with the play.
And I have traveled with her parents because I was a part of a Marathi play Nagamandal which was directed by her father.
Yeah.
Okay.
And main role तो नीना ताई ने किया था and me and my sister were part of that play. So we have done so many tours and I remember Neena Tai remembering her kids and making phone calls and Dilip Kaka was not very vocal about his feelings. Neena Tai will and we will accompany her. या तो तुम्ही जरा phone करून विचारते. So I have seen all that.
Yeah. Wow.
So the whole thing about my parents are the best. I think only I had as a kid when growing up. The rest of them were like, yeah, I don't want to go here.
Our generation, when we were kids, our parents were our parents.
Yeah.
At least for me, they were not my friends.
Yeah,
yeah.
me
My
too.
father was my father. He was
Correct.
a father figure, and matlab, अरे बाबा, I
Yeah,
never
yeah,
did that. For me, my father was never a friend for me.
Correct.
Friendly भी नहीं.
Correct.
Friendly, I mean the same thing. मतलब
Yeah.
you know. लेकिन अभी है, अभी हो सकता है. You
Yeah.
call your father अरे बाबा.
So,
उसी में friendliness.
Mine was that way. My relationship with my father was very, very friendly. I used to call him A Baba, which is a big deal at that point.
At that
I remember
time, yes.
Yeah.
people have come to me and says, "Aho,
Correct.
Are Baba का म्हणतेस? आहो जाओ करायचं." So it was a big deal, and he used to say, "No, I've trained her to do that, so don't change it."
You know, even
Don't
I,
change
with
that.
my parents, I had a very casual relationship. I don't think I looked at them as friends for sure, but there was a lot of casualness because they also, that's how they approached it.
Yeah.
Like, especially my father, he was very clear ki I have 3 daughters, I'm not going to raise them any different from sons.
Like
was-
you said,
yeah.
मेरे भी पिताजी ना, he was also I would say a very very progressive man, because मेरी बहन की भी शादी उस मतलब from जो शादी का जो एज होता है, she got married when she was 31. उस टाइम that was also
Yeah.
late है.
Yeah.
और हम दोनों की शादी को लेके, so my mother used to get worried, दोनों की शादी होगी भी या नहीं है, क्या समझती है, क्या वगैरह वगैरह. तो my father told my mother that you don't worry, because my daughter is working. My sister was working, even I was working, but she was working in a corporate
Sector.
setup. He said she is independent, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, जब होगी तब होगी शादी. शादी के लिए शादी नहीं करनी है. If she feels, if she finds the right person, only then she'll marry. And if she doesn't marry at all, it's still fine as long as she's earning.
I think we are
अगर
just
कोई
lucky.
Yeah.
Not every parent is like that.
Like
We're
that.
just lucky that we have parents
Actually,
who
yeah,
progressive.
we have been lucky. तभी तो मैं हूँ. And thank God they didn't push me into marriage. शादी ऐसी चीज है जो अपनी इच्छा से ही होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Correct.
Actually.
Yeah.
ऍब्सोल्युटली. किती वाजले ग? माझी आई मारेल मला. आय हॅव टू रीच.
हे मला आवडलंय. आपण किती मोठ्या झालो तरी आई मारू शकते.
माय मदर.
Moms who can like still take my class immediately.